What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Hope everybody's doing well. We're doing pretty well here at the Glamp site. A couple of things I got to do, and this seems to happen every single year, and I just haven't found a good fix for it. Our outdoor shower, there's a reservoir in that little heater that heats up with the propane burner on the inside of it. And in the wintertime, I asked my guests, and I asked my cleaner too, to make sure that they drain the little reservoir. And well, that doesn't always happen. And so now we're on our third. Is it our third or fourth? Our third outdoor propane instant on-demand water heater. On the third one, I'm about to install that today, and then I need to change the oil in the generator over there. It's been about a year since I changed that. What are you supposed to change it like every 500 hours or something like that? And it hasn't even been 500 hours. It's just been 12 months. So I'm going to change that. And then my cleaner was out here, and she said that all of the propane tanks need to be refilled. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that since I said I would be out here. She saved her the trip. But everything's looking good. The new tent still looks good. I need to tighten up those guy lines. Other than that, it's just routine maintenance. All right, so I got that thing's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. Still runs. Anywho, I got the oil drained out of it. I had some oil here from the last time I did it, but there was only like a third of that full. So when I go get more propane, I will have to get another thing of oil to put in this. This generator, by the way, has been really good for me. I've had it for 3 years now. It's a Westinghouse, and it's dual fuel. You can run off of either gasoline or propane. Of course, I run it off the propane. I do have a little gasoline backup just in case, but never used it. And it's ran really well. I haven't ever really had an issue with it. It's a little rusty from being outside, but it goes outside. So now that I got that done, I'm gonna get this new water heater hooked up. I ordered the exact same thing that I already have, because this one, kind of like it. It's not that it's not the best one ever, of course, but it is also pretty inexpensive. So in this box here, we got the bracket to hang it with, and all the little bits and pieces that fell out. We will put all this together here in a minute. We got a new gas line, so I've got a couple extra gas lines now. Comes with tools and everything. Let's get it together. All right, so a couple weeks ago, the EcoFlow River Pro battery that I had up here, it overloaded or something and just would not charge. And so I contacted EcoPro or EcoFlow, and it was the extra battery that wouldn't charge actually, and it had an overload on it. Showed them what was wrong with it. It's still under the warranty period, so they said if I sent back the River Pro Max with the extra battery pack, they would swap it out for this unit here, which is the Delta, which you can add another battery pack onto this, but just this by itself has more power than the River, EcoFlow River, with the extra battery pack. Just this unit by itself. So like I said, the other day my cleaner was out here and this said overload, it wouldn't charge. I don't know. I pressed the reset button on the little breaker and it's charging. It's a lot of battery. It takes a long time to charge. It's been charging for about 45 minutes and it's got 32%. I'm gonna pack up all my stuff, let this charge until I'm done packing up, and then I'm gonna turn the generator off. Should have enough power to make it for the next camper, and you know, if they need to, all they gotta do is turn the generator on for this to charge. And then, you know, I was having issues with my Big Buddy heater a little bit before Christmas. It just wouldn't light, and come to find out what it was is there was not enough oxygen in the tent, which is odd, for the fire to light. Because the Big Buddy heater does work now, but this is an Ozark Trail one that I replaced it with. It works just fine. It's a little bit smaller, doesn't need as much oxygen, but gets just as hot. Well, not quite as hot, but hot enough for this tent to heat it up. But anyways, if that happens with my next guest, I'm just gonna tell him crack a window or two and a little bit of airflow through here, and it should be just fine. Other than that, you know, pretty good. I got two tanks of propane. It was like $17. It's trying to rain, so I'm gonna pack everything up. I'm gonna head home. We'll call it a day. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.